Hello guys, this is Khuda Kotak this side from the EduCARE. Welcome back to our channel for daily current affair videos. आज डिस्कस करेंगे करंट अफेयर्स ऑफ 5th October and 6th October 2022. Before starting with the current affairs for the day, don't forget to follow our Instagram channel BEducare Official where regular exam updates are given. Starting with the current affairs for the day, India emerges as the largest producer of the sugar in the world. In sugar season 21-22, a record of more than 5,000 lakh metric tons of sugarcane was produced in India. As per the Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Ministry, the season has proven to be a watershed season for the Indian sugar sector. The highest sugar export of over 109 lakh metric tons was registered. The central ministry further added that the supportive prices and the central government policy led to the speed of the Indian sugar industry. Government takes up urgent investigation on a complaint for India-made cup syrups. After an alert issued by World Health Organization on 4 India-made cough and cold syrups used for pediatric groups, the Central Drug Standard Control Organization has taken up an urgent investigation. Who issued an alert over 4 made in India cough and cold syrups, which are made by Maiden Pharmaceuticals in India? The global health body notified that the same cough and cold syrups could be linked to the deaths of the 65 children in Gambia. Reportedly, Maiden Pharmaceuticals manufactured and exported cough and cold syrups only to Gambia so far. Savita, Punia and PR Sreejesh voted for the FIH Women's and the Men's Goalkeeper of the Year. Savita Punia is the captain of the Indian women hockey team, and veteran goalkeeper PR Sreejesh received the FIH Goalkeeper of the Year title. Savita Punia is also just the third athlete to win the Goalkeeper of the Year woman for 3 years in a row since the World Awards debut in the 2014. Justice Dinesh Kumar Sharma has been appointed as the presiding officer of the UAPA Tribunal. The central government has appointed Justice Dinesh Kumar as the presiding officer of the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, that is UAPA Tribunal. He is the Justice of Delhi High Court and has been appointed as the presiding officer in the matter of Popular Front of India and its associates. The French author Annie Ernaux has been awarded as the Nobel Prize 2022 in the literature. She has been awarded for the courage and the clinical audacity to which she uncovers the roots, estrangements, and the collective restraints of the personal memory. The former German Chancellor Angela Merkel will receive the 2022 UNHCR Nansen Refugee Award. The announcement was made by the UN Refugee Agency on October 4, 2022, where Merkel will be awarded the UN Refugee Agency Prize for the political courage and the decisive action during the tenure of hers to safeguard the people who were forced to flee. A US astronaut, Marine Colonel Nicole Mann, has set to become the first Native American woman in the space following a NASA launch on 5th October 2022. She is one of the 4 astronauts who blasted off from Florida at midday bound for the International Space Station. Starting with the current affair quiz, the first question for the day is, Anton Zelensev is one of the winners of the Nobel Prize 2022 in physics is from which country? The next question is, Vishal Kisan Sammelan workshop by the National Mission for Clean Ganga and Sahakar Bharati was held in which state? The answers to the questions asked in the previous video are as follows. India has handed over Made in India motorbikes to which country as a bilateral trade? The correct answer is Lebanon. Which state has come first in the Swachh Sarvekshan Gramin 2022 award under the large states category? The correct answer is Telangana. Swachh Bharat Diwas was celebrated to mark the birth anniversary of. The correct answer is Mahatma Gandhi. That's it, guys. Mention your answers to the questions asked in the today's current affair quiz in the comment box below. The person who is giving a correct answer will be given a shout out in the next upcoming video. Shout out to Computer Man, Rujusha, Nikhil Matre, Neha, Tanvi Nayak, and Priya Kalamaste for giving the correct answers in the previous video. That's it, guys. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel and share this video as much as possible. For classroom, live class, recorded lecture, books, ebooks, and test facilities, contact on the number which you can see on your screens. And for more such MCQs, download the app from the link which is given in the description box below.